students, myself Mehak Pasha, and today in this session we will continue the problems of exercise 6.2 of algebraic expression sign identities. Students, let us solve fourth question. Okay, so what they have given: obtain the volume of rectangular box with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Students, here they have given the length, breadth as well as height of the rectangular boxes, and what we need to find? We need to find the volume of these boxes. Okay, so let us solve the first question. So here what they have given: 5a, 3a square, 7a to the power 4. Okay, so if you think that this is a rectangular box, then the length is 5a, breadth is 3a square and height is 7a to the power 4. Okay, so here we'll write length equals to 5a, next breadth plus 2 3a square, height equals to 7a to the power 4. Okay, students, here we have written the length, breadth as well as height of the rectangular box. So now what we need to find? We need to find the volume of the rectangle. Okay, so here volume of the rectangular box we need to find. So what is the formula to find the volume of rectangular box? Okay, so volume of rectangular box equals to length into breadth into height. Students, this is a formula to find the volume of a rectangular box, that is length into breadth into height. Okay, so here what is the length they have given? 5a. Okay, the length is what? 5a into breadth is 3a square, 3a square into, and what is height? 7a to the power 4. Okay, so height is what? 7a to the power 4. So here you can expand this, students. Okay, as I told you, 5 into a into 3 into a square into 7 into a to the power 4. Okay, so here what we have done? We have rewritten the, so here what we have done? We have rewritten the following terms. Okay, students, now look at here. You can group numbers one side. Okay, you can group numbers one side, that is 5 into 3 into 7. Okay, so 5 into 3 into 7, and the variables one side, that is a into a square into a to the power 4. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to multiply the numbers as well as variables. Okay, now look at here. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. Okay, into, next here nothing is there means 1 will be there, exponential power. Okay, as I told you, when we are multiplying a same variable, then their exponential power will be added, that is a into a square into a to the power 4, that is a into a square will be a to the power 3, and a to the power 3 into a to the power 4. Okay, so I'll rewrite this one. A into a square is what? A to the power 3, and here a to the power 4 is there. Okay, so I'll make you understand much easier. But look at here, a cube into a to the power 4 will be a to the power 7. Okay, so 3 plus 4. Now 105 into a to the power 7 is what? 105 into a to the power 7. As this is in volume, the unit, okay, the unit of volume is what? Cubic units. Okay, the unit of volume is what? Cubic units, and the volume of the first problem is what? 105 a to the power 7. Students, now let us solve second one. Okay, so here what they have given? 2p, 4q, 8r. Okay, so here the length, okay, the length of rectangular box is 2p, the breadth of rectangular box is 4q, and the height is what? 8r, and what we need to find here, we need to find the volume. Okay, so here what they have given. So how we know that 2p is the length, 4q is the breadth, and 8r is the height. Okay, so look at here students, what they have given: length, breadth and height. Okay, so whenever they have given three terms, we need to assume the first term as length, second as breadth, and third one as height. Okay, so because of this we have taken 2p, 4q and 8r. Okay, then what is length? 2p, and breadth is what? 4q, and height is what? 8r. Okay, then what we need to find? We need to find the volume of the rectangular box. As I told you, volume of rectangular box is equals to what? Length into breadth into height. Okay, and here what is the length? 2p. Length is what? 2p into breadth is 4q. Breadth is 4q and height is 8r. Next, you can rewrite this, students. Okay, dear students, what we have done? So we have rewrite the terms. Okay, students, look at here. We can make group. Now we can group the numbers one side and variables one side. Okay, so we have 2 into 4 into 8, p into q into r. Okay, now 2 4s are 8, 8 are 64. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 8 is the 64. Here p into q into r is what? P q r. Okay, now 64 into p q r is what? 64 p q r. Okay, so volume is equals to what? 64 p q r. As the unit of volume is what? Cubic units. Okay, the volume of the second problem is what? 64 PQR cubic units. Students, now let us solve third question. Okay, so they have given xy 2x square y 2xy square. Okay, so here the length is xy, breadth is 2x square y, and height is 2xy square. Okay, so here we will write it. Okay, length is xy, breadth is 2x square y, and height is 2xy square. Now we need to find the volume. Okay, so volume of the rectangular box is what? L into B into H, that is length into breadth into height. Okay, now what is the length? xy. Here breadth is 2x square y, and height is 2xy square. You can rewrite this. Okay, so here nothing is there means 1 will be there now, so you can write like this: 1 into x plus y into 2 into x square y into 2 into xy square. Okay, so now we'll make numbers one side, we'll group numbers one side and variables one side. Okay, so here 1 into 2 into 2 into xy into x square y into x y square. Okay, so here 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now look at here, x, nothing is always 1 will be there, so x into x square is x cube, and x cube into x is what? X to the power 4. Okay, so look at here, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. X into x square is what? X cube. X cube into x is what? X to the power 4. Now into, look at here, y into y is what? Y square. Y square into y square is what? Y to the power 4. Okay, so here volume is equals to 4 into x to the power 4, y to the power 4 means x to the power 4, y to the power 4. So here 4 into x to the power 4, y to the power 4 is what? 4. X to the power 4, y to the power 4, volume is equals to what? Cubic units. Okay, so here the volume of third problem is what? 4 x to the power 4 and what is power 4 cubic units. Students, let us solve fourth question. Okay, so here what they are given, a comma 2b comma 3c. So here length is a, breadth is 2b and height is 3c. Okay, length is a, breadth is 2b and height is 3c. Okay, so here volume of rectangular box is what, L into B into H. Okay, so here L is what, A, and breadth is 2b and height is 3c. We can rewrite this 1 into A, nothing is there means 1 will be there, no, so plus 1 will be there, no, so 1 into A into 2 into B into 3 into C. Okay, so what we have done, we have rewrite the terms. Now students will group numbers one side and variables other side. Okay, so here 1 into 2 into 3 into A into B into C. Okay, so here 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6 into A into B into C is what, A B C. Okay, so here volume is equals to 6 into ABC is what, 6 ABC cubic units. Okay, so here the volume of this one is what, 6 AB cubic units. Students, now let's solve fifth question. Okay, so what they have given, obtain the product of. Okay, so here they have given some of the terms, and what we need to do, we need to find the product of these terms. Okay, so now let us solve the first question. So here what they have given, xy comma yz comma zx. Okay, so here what we need to do, we need to find the products. So in order to do that, the first step is what, so write these terms as it is, but in place of comma you need to place the multiplication sign. Okay, so here xy into yz into zx. Okay, now students, you can rewrite it like x into y and y into z and z into x. Okay, so here what we have done, xy as x into y into yz as y into z into zx as z into x. Now students, everywhere multiplication is there now. Okay, so here now just take first x1. Okay, so x into x, nothing is there means power 1 will be there, so here will be also 1. So x into x will be x square. Okay, into y into, because everywhere multiplication is there. Now take y, so 1 and 1, so y into y will be y square into z. Okay, so here z into z will be what, z square. Okay, now x square into y square into z square can be written as x square y square z square. Okay, the product of this one is what, x square y square and z square. Students, now let's solve second question. Okay, so what they are given, a comma minus a square comma a cube. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to place multiplication sign in place of comma. Okay, a into minus a square into a cube. Okay, this a can be written as a into 1. If you want, you can write like this. This minus a square can be written as minus 1 into a square. Okay, next a cube as 1 into a cube. Okay, a can be written as a into 1, because a into 1 is what, a only, and minus a square can be written as minus 1 into a square. Minus 1 into a square is what, minus a square only. Okay, and a cube is written as 1 into a cube. Now group the numbers, a into minus 1 into 1 into a into a square into a cube. Okay, now here plus is there, here minus is there, so plus into minus will be minus 1 into 1 into, here nothing is there means 1 will be there. Okay, so a into a square will be a cube, a into a square will be a cube into, so here also a cube is there, no? So right here. Okay, now here minus is there, here plus is there, so minus into plus will be minus, 1 into 1 is what, 1 only. Okay, and now a cube into a cube is what, a to the power 6, a to the power 6. And this students, minus 1 into 8 to the power 6 can be written as minus 8 to the power 6. Okay, minus 1 into 8 to the power 6 can be written as minus 8 to the power 6. Why? Because if it is like this, okay, so this can be written what? Like this, no? Okay, so because of this, minus 1 into 8 to the power 6 can be written as minus 8 to the power 6, and this is the solution for the second problem. Students, now let's solve third question. Okay, so here what they have given: 2 comma 4y comma 8y square comma 16y cube. Okay, so here we need to find the product of this. Okay, so write this 4y square into 16y cube. Okay, so what we have done, in place of comma we have written the multiplication sign. Why? Because we need to find the product of these words. Okay, now rewrite this. Okay, so 2 into 4 into y 8 into y square into 16 into y to the power 3. Now students, group numbers one side and variable one side. Okay, so 2 into 4 into 8 into 16, 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 into, look at here, y into y square into y cube. Okay, now 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Okay, so look at here, 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16 will be 1224. Okay, now so here 1 will be there, so y into y square will be y cube. Okay, so y into y square will be, so y cube into, so here also 1 y cube is 0, so write y cube, then 1024 into y cube will be y to the power 6. Okay, and 1024 into y to the power 6 will be 1024 y to the power 6. Okay, so this is a solution for the given problem. Students, now let's solve fourth question. Okay, so here what they have given: a comma 2b comma 3c comma 6abc. Okay, so here right, okay, now we'll rewrite this. Okay, so a can be written as 1 into a, and this one 2 into b, and 3 into c, and this can be written as 6 into a into b into c. Okay, so 6abc can be written as 6 into a into b into c. Okay, now group numbers one side. Okay, so this 1 into 2 into 3 into 6. Okay, if you want, you are getting confused, you just put this in bracket. Now a into b into c into a into b into c. Okay, now 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 6s are 36. Okay, and now so here a is there, so look at here, here also is there, no? So a into a is what? A square into, here b is there, so b into b is what? B square into, so here c and here also c, so c into c is what? C square. Okay, and now 36 into a square into b square into c square is what? A square b square c square. Okay, so 36 into a square b square c square is what? 36 a square b square c square. Okay, so this is a solution for the given problem. Students, now let's solve fifth question. Okay, so here what they have given: m comma minus mn comma mnp. Okay, so here m into minus mn into mnp. Okay, now rewrite this. This m can be written as 1 into m, and this minus mn can be written as minus 1 into mn. Okay, and this mnp can be written as 1 into mnp. Now group numbers one side: 1 into minus 1 into 1 into m into n into, this can be written like this. Okay, so m into n into p. Okay, so here 1 into minus 1 into 1, and this can be written as m into, okay, so here m into and mn can written as m into n, and m and p can written as m into n into p equals to, so here plus is there, so plus into minus is what, minus, 1 into 1 is what, 1 into 1. Okay, so here m, here m, and here m. Okay, so m into m is what, m square into m is what, m to the power 3. Okay, into here n is there, so here n is there, so n into n is what, n square into p. Okay, so minus into plus is minus, 1 ones are 1 into here m square, so here m cube, n square, and p is there. Okay, so what we are getting, m cube, n square, p. Okay, so now minus 1 into m cube, n square into p is what, minus m cube, n square into p. Okay, so this is a solution for the given problem.